Today, I'm going to be teaching you how you can print a full color design on dark and light colored shirts without having a DTG or using a screen printing machine. All you need are a few things, and I'm going to show you what they are. First thing, you're going to need your computer. It's going to have a program, which that program comes with a cutter, which we're going to need one of these. This is a Silhouette. I'll show you on the description what that is. We're going to need a heat press. We're going to need an inkjet printer. We're also going to need dark colored vinyl and light colored for light colored shirts. I'll show you how it works. You also need something like this to peel. And then we're going to get right into it, and I'll show you how you design it, cut it, put it on the shirt, and go from there. Now I just got this order online. It's a 5 shirt order, and it's a full color design. I'll zoom into it so you can see. As you can see, it has some gradients and it's a full color design. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to put that into effect and put it on the shirt and see how good it looks. All right. Okay, here's the design. I put it into the Silhouette Studio, which is a program that comes with it's called the Silhouette Cameo, and I put it in the program, and now I'm going to print it onto the printer. Once I print it, then I'm going to show you how it cuts, and then I'm going to show you also how we put it on a shirt. I've already done a few steps to get ahead of it, but you have to put registration marks on this so that way it knows where to cut, and then once you feed it into the Silhouette, it'll show you how to cut it completely round. But I've skipped those steps to speed up the video, but I'll show you the next step. Now I'm going to print it and show you how it cuts. Okay, I printed out one of the sheets. I'm using an 11 by 17 sheet, and that's the printout, and those are the registration marks there. Now what I do is I cut that piece that's a little left over so I could be able to put it through the Silhouette cutter, which is here. So I need to get something to put this on, which it's a mat. As you can see, this mat's really used out. We do a lot of this printing. Now I have to put this on top of the mat in order for it to cut on the Silhouette cutter. And that way it finds the registration marks completely, and that way we can get that complete circle cut out. So put it right here. I open up the Silhouette, and I just look for the actual marks on here, load it, and then I go to the computer and just make it cut. Right, the finished cutting, I'm unloading it. Here it is cut. I'm going to show you now. What I do is I'm going to peel off the excess that I have here. So let me show you. Once I peel it, you can see now you got that perfect round look to it. And then all I have to do now is make sure that I take it off of here, which I don't need this anymore. So I put down the map, and then see me peeling it away. Voila. Got a perfect round logo. And now I can heat press on the shirt. I'll show you how that looks now. Alright, so I got my shirt. Put it on the heat press. got my design. I'm gonna put it on here. Get my ruler. Straight. I'm going to show you, there's two things we could use. There's actually a cookie sheet, right? You could use this. You could go to Walmart or anything. I'll show you if you don't have anything to cover it. Voila, I use this, take out the cookie sheet. There's the cookie sheet right here. And I can heat press it on there. This one looks a little dirty. Let's get a new one. Boom. I'm going to take these little creases off of it. Heat pressing that at 20 seconds at 380 degrees, and you'll see how it comes out. It comes out really good. Take it out. Take it off. You see, let's also show you fresh off the grill. That's it. That's how you do that. Okay, this I printed out on the light colored sheets. This for light shirts, mainly white. I don't use it on any other color. As you can see, I printed out the registration marks the same, but I really don't need them. And I'll show you why. So again, I'm going to use my little tool here so I can lift up the actual, I can take it apart. But now the difference between this one is that I don't need the cutter to make the perfect circle. I could if I want, but I'm just going to show you that you don't need it. You could just use an actual scissor and just cut around it, and it's going to be good enough. You know, this one doesn't have to be perfect. Now you can use the cutter if you want, but it's not needed. And I just want to show you how it looks without cutting it and doing it manually. But you could only do this with the light colored paper. If you try to do this with the other one, you'll see all that white that's coming across. So you see there's white there, but that's just the background of the paper. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to put it on the shirt pretty much the same way I did on the other one. And this one's a little more delicate because it's really, really flimsy and light, and that way you don't see the background on it. So that's why you have to use this for only white colored shirts. Measuring it here, this is a girl shirt. Now I'm going to use the same cookie sheet, and I'm going to put it on this shirt, and I'm going to show you. I use the same temperature on this one, which is 380, 20 seconds. I'll show you how it comes out now. It's going to look awesome. finished product. Looks amazing. And you can't really see the outside of it. You could just see the, you know, it blends into the white shirt and it looks amazing. I mean, look at the vibrant colors that that has. The difference between that and, let's say, the DTG is, once you wash this shirt, it's not gonna fade. When you do when you're actually printing with the DTG, they use water-based ink, and they do tend to actually wear out a little bit. So I think I like this print better. Comes out nicer and it lasts longer. But that's my opinion. I've had a DTG before, and I got rid of it. This is the way to go. All right, well, I hope this helped you.